it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing my November Facetory unboxing and my September Facetory review. If you're new here, Facetory is a sheet mask subscription service. You can get 4 or 7 masks to you sent every month, and I choose the 4 option, which is called the Forever Fresh, and it's just under $10 a month, I believe, but I will have more information about Facetory linked in the description box down below. And every month I unbox the one I just got in, and then I review the mask that I tried from the month before. Let's start with my favorite part, which is unboxing or unbagging the new month. And this month is November, obviously. I hope I'm putting this video up in November. It's almost over. I don't know. This might be a December video. It's kind of chaotic right now. Oh my gosh, the postcard is so cute. This says, "Thank you, Facetory fam." I don't know if there's some sort of anniversary going on for Facetory, but they always include a postcard, and the art is super cute. Oh yes, the card says it. It is happy birthday to Facetory. They are celebrating their 3rd birthday, so that's really exciting. And they always include a card which has information about the mask as well as the price and how to use the mask, so that's really handy. And the first mask is the Facetory Everyday Almond Skin Strengthening Mask. It has Prunus amygdalatus dulcis, which is sweet almond oil, which has vitamin A and vitamin E and keeps your skin protected from UV damage while being moisturizing and nourishing, and jojoba seed oil, which is skin conditioning, moisturizes, and leaves it smooth and supple, and it retails for $3.50. Right off the bat, I know this is one I'm saving for a future giveaway because it has aloe in it, and that is one of my ingredients I'm sensitive to, or as I say, my no-no ingredients. So unfortunately, no almond mask for me, but that's okay because I'm not a fan of almonds or nuts. Not allergic, I just don't like them. The next mask is the No HJ Herbs Fit Sheet Hortensia. It retails for $3 and has hortensia leaf extract, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, which helps improve skin tone and reduce the appearance of sun and age spots, and blueberry extract, which is antioxidant rich and protects the skin while adding moisture. This one I'm kind of bummed. It's another one with aloe high up on the ingredients list, and it's also one of those ones that's got the pretty like foil floral design on it. I love having my face look all pretty like that. Why do you gotta have aloe? I'm so disappointed. Wah. But more for you. The third mask is the Farm Skin Fresh Food for Skin Facial Sheet Mask Cranberry. It retails for $2 and has cranberry fruit extract, which is rich in vitamin C and A and protects the skin from harmful environmental factors while adding moisture and stimulating collagen production, and kombu extract, which reduces damage from free radicals while protecting and moisturizing the skin. Yay, one I can try. And I love like fruit-based masks. I love them so much, and I like cranberries a lot. I don't like cranberry sauce like with the turkey, but I don't like turkey, so that's okay. But cranberry juice, I love cranberry juice. Cranberries are so good. I hope they're good for my skin. I can't wait to try it. The last mask is the Niasture Charcoal Purifying Black Sheet Mask. It retails for $2 and has apple fruit extract, which helps add moisture to the skin as well as provide a gentle exfoliation, and charcoal powder, which purifies the skin by drying out bacteria and impurities, leaving skin clearer. This mask sounds so amazing. Oh my gosh, I've been needing some purifying. Like, I got some stuff going on. I'm so excited about this one. I can't wait to try it. And yay, I'm so excited that I can try 2 out of the 4 masks, and then I'll have 2 for a future giveaway for you guys. All right, let's review September. Have I been saying September this whole time? Holy cannoli, I mean October. What is wrong with me? It's not last month was October. I'm sorry. We're reviewing October right now. 2 masks from October. Get it right, Rachel. I'm talking to you. 2 masks I was unable to try due to the ingredients, so I will be saving these for Rachmas. I'm not doing my usual monthly Facetory giveaway because December is so close, and I will be sending out a few packages in December just to make it easier on me and not send out so many packages. I'm just throwing these into the Rachmas giveaway that I'm doing. It's something I started last year where every week in December leading up to Christmas, I do a giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to be having a pretty sizable skincare giveaway. Super excited about it. Keep an eye out. Of the 2 masks that I was able to try for October, the first one is the BRTC Makeover Mask, and it is the Bewitch. It has Pennex Ginseng Berry Extract, which is anti-aging, brightening, and moisturizing, and protects and rebuilds the skin barrier. Yikes. This one, it was moisturizing, yes, but I was so red and irritated after using this one. It was not a good time. I do not recommend it if you have sensitive skin. And also, I forgot to say, it retails for $3. So I would not repurchase this one. The next mask is the Bling Pop Pumpkin Soothing and Brightening Mask. It retails for $2 and has pumpkin fruit extract, which is hydrating and exfoliating and brightens the skin and prevents fine lines and wrinkles, and peony seed extract, which is calming, brightening, and moisturizing and balances the skin. I loved this one. It smelt pumpkin-y and amazing. So good. And it really brightened, really hydrated. I would totally repurchase this for $2. I loved it so much. So was the month of October? Yeah, got it right this time. Was the month of October worth it? I liked 1 out of the 2 masks I tested, and 2 of them are for a giveaway. So I'd say I'm kind of like on the fence. I'm gonna at the end of the year kind of do an evaluation of all of my Facetory reviews and see whether or not I want to continue this subscription, because I feel like a lot of the masks I can't test, and that really sucks. And then half of the ones I do test still irritate me. But I'm gonna take a look back at the end of the year and see if that's just like how I feel right now because how this month was, or if that's how things really are. Let me know your thoughts on these masks down below, and if you've tried any awesome masks recently that you would recommend, I'd love to hear about them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. I will see you guys next time. Bye.